Hey guys, hello everyone. This is a new course from Uplatz. The course name is Introduction to SQL Server Integration Services, that is Introduction to SSIS. SSIS is a very deserved and desired application or course these days. And this is a course brought to you by Uplatz, which is one of the leading course provider. And we are starting the course SSIS from today. And as you can see, I have shown you the detailed agenda of this course. As a prerequisite for this course, you need to have basic understanding of database and SQL concepts. We will cover these topics in a short way in this course as well, so that if you are new to this SSIS topic, you can understand the basics of databases and SQL concepts also. And after that, we will start with our SSIS main course. And as you can see, the objectives of this course is to understand the fundamentals of SSIS architecture and components, to design and deploy SSIS packages for data integration tasks, perform data extraction, transformation, and loading operations using SSIS, implement error handling and logging in SSIS packages, deploy and manage SSIS packages in different environments. And we are going to cover these many modules in this course. The module number 1 is Introduction to SSIS. In this, we will see the overview of ETL concepts, where the students or the professionals will learn about the extract, transform, and load process and its importance in data integration. Then we will see Introduction to SSIS architecture. This introduces the architecture of SQL Server Integration Services, including its components such as packages, tasks, and connections. Then we will see installing and configuring SSIS. Students will learn how to install and configure SSIS on their machines and how to prepare them for development. So this is covered in module number 1. In module number 2, we will go through the SSIS basics. SSIS development environment. It will enable students to become familiar with SQL Server data tools, which is the primary environment for developing SSIS packages. Then we will see how to create and configure SSIS projects and packages. This session covers the process of creating SSIS projects and packages within SSDT, including configuring package properties. Then we will understand the control flow tasks and data flow tasks, where students will learn about control flow tasks, that is sequence, containers, loops, etc., and data flow tasks, that is source, transformations, destination, and how to use them to design package workflows. So this is covered in module number 2. Then in module number 3, we will see data sources and destinations. Here we will work with different data sources, like we will focus on connecting to various data sources such as SQL Server databases, Excel files, and flat files. We will see how to configure data destinations. That is, you will learn how to configure destinations for their data, such as databases, files, or other systems where data will be loaded. Then in module number 4, we will see data transformation. We will understand data transformation tasks, like we will cover the importance of data transformation in the ETL process and introduce common transformation tasks in SSIS. We will perform transformations using SSIS components. Students will learn how to perform transformations using SSIS components such as derived, column, lookup, and conditional split. We'll introduce data cleaning and validation. That is, techniques for data cleaning and validation will be introduced, emphasizing the importance of ensuring data quality during transformations. Then module number 5, advanced SSIS features. We will learn parameterizing SSIS packages, which will cover the use of parameters to make SSIS packages more dynamic and reusable. We will implement package configurations. Students will learn how to implement package configurations to make packages more flexible and configurable in different environments. And we will see how to use expressions and variables. Expression language and variables in SSIS will be explored, enabling students to add dynamic behavior to their packages. Then in module number 6, we will learn about error handling and logging. We will know implementing error handling in SSIS packages. That is, techniques for handling errors and exceptions within SSIS packages will be covered, including error redirection and event handling. Then configuring logging options for package execution. The students or the professionals will learn how to configure logging to capture detailed information about package execution for monitoring and troubleshooting purpose. In module 7, we will see deployment and execution, where we will understand deploying SSIS packages to different environments like development, testing, and production. We will see scheduling package execution using SQL Server Agent, where the students will learn how to schedule SSIS package execution using SQL Server Agent for automated execution. Monitoring and troubleshooting package execution. Techniques for monitoring package execution and troubleshooting common issues will be covered. Module number 8, best practices and optimization. We will see SSIS best practices and design patterns. Students will learn industry best practices and design patterns for developing efficient and maintainable SSIS solutions. We will see performance optimization techniques like the SSIS packages will be explored, including data flow optimization and package design considerations. Then version control and package management strategies. Strategies for version controlling SSIS packages and managing package deployments will be discussed. Then module 9, we will cover case studies and practical applications. We will see real-world case studies and scenarios where the students will analyze real-world data integration scenarios and apply their SSIS skills to design and implement the solutions. Hands-on exercises and projects. We will see hands-on exercises and projects with practical experience and reinforce concepts learned throughout the course. Then we will also try to have a final project where we will design and implement a comprehensive SSIS solution and also present and discuss the results. So we will start with the SSIS course. I insist you to do the hard work from your side so that you can learn SSIS quickly and more efficiently and practically. All the best.